the favorite, peace and love. Way they go, peace and love from the outside, moving up by the rallies. Morning, Nasser. Morning, Nasser is now the leader, followed by peace and love. Sharp Cookie is racing in third, running down on the inside is super elegant Dragon May, gold-plated key, Madame Leonora, guided me silent. Yes! Joey is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 700. Morning! Nasser by about 5 lengths, followed by Peace and Love. And moving up by the rally, super elegant. Sharp Cookies driving back in for Dan. Here comes gold-plated key. And at a far turn, Morning Nasser by about 4 lengths. Peace and Love getting closer in second. Super elegant gold-plated key as they swing for home. Morning Nasser by about 2 lengths. Peace and Love is running in second. Super elegant gold-plated key. And nearing the finish line, Morning Nasser. Peace and Love is on the outside. Morning Nasser, Peace and Love. And finally it's going to be Peace and Love. Morning Nasser, super elegant. Number 6, gold-plated key. And for your Pentafecta, number 3,